Welcome to our latest video where we're going to tackle the tough decision between in-house software development versus outsourcing. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore the benefits and drawbacks of creating a custom computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, versus buying an off-the-shelf solution. We'll provide you with a better understanding of the investment required, the level of control you'll have, and the potential challenges you might face. So, let's get started. Should you manage a CMMS solution in-house or opt for an out-of-the-box, third-party product? Both paths have their own set of pros and cons, so let's break them down. First, let's consider building a CMMS in-house. This requires a substantial investment of talent, resources, and time. The average development time is around 4 to 6 months. If you're a startup preparing to launch, this period should be added to the front end of your timeline. If you're an established organization, you'll need to have other processes in place to manage work orders and maintenance records in the meantime. The benefits of building a CMMS revolve around customization and control. If your organization has very specific data to collect, unusual analytics requirements, or custom reporting needs, it may make sense to build your own CMMS. You maintain more control over its usage, updates, training, and application. However, there are also cons to consider. The downsides of building your own CMMS are typically associated with time, expense, and talent. You'll need to employ software developers to create, manage, and maintain your custom CMMS. Your organization will also be completely responsible for managing bugs, problems, and delays in development, as well as ongoing troubleshooting from the users. If you're ready to embark on building your own CMMS, here are some best practices to keep in mind. First, ensure you have the buy-in of your top management. Second, secure an adequate budget and timeline for the project. Third, start the CMMS design process by clearly defining what you want your system to do. Lastly, don't discount the quality of data. Establish a process for collecting quality data while the software is being developed. Now let's consider the other side of the coin, buying a CMMS. In today's cloud-based software-as-a-service world, it's becoming more and more likely that buying a CMMS solution will be the default choice for a wide variety of businesses. The advantages of purchasing an off-the-shelf CMMS include ease of use, especially for smaller organizations without the bandwidth to employ an IT department. Many solutions today deliver what most organizations are seeking and offer some level of customization. You'll also likely get updates, patches, and new features in a timely manner. Plus, customer service is usually a priority for CMMS vendors, which means you'll have regular access to an IT help desk. However, there are cons to consider. The biggest disadvantage is that purchasing a CMMS solution will tie you to that particular vendor. The upfront cost may also be higher than creating a custom CMMS solution. Lastly, you'll have to rely on the vendor's training and educational materials to get your team up and running. If you decide to purchase an off-the-shelf CMMS, here are some best practices to keep in mind. First, start by clearly defining what's most important to your maintenance team in terms of key functionality. Second, consider taking your top 2 or 3 contenders for a test drive during a free trial period. Lastly, before uploading data into your chosen CMMS solution, ensure you're happy with the quality of the data. In conclusion, if your organization is very specialized and already has a core competency of software development, building your own CMMS may be a viable option. However, the majority of companies today will be better off purchasing a CMMS off the shelf. Take the time to review the options that seem to fit best with your company's goals, test it out before making a big commitment, and ensure your vendor will provide the support and training you need on an ongoing basis to be successful. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the pros and cons of in-house versus outsourced CMMS and hope it's given you a clearer understanding of the best path for your organization. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For additional resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, the right CMMS can make a significant difference in your maintenance and operations team's success.